Hey, what's up, pilots? Just practicing for the IGOW6 preseason and working on my split S. The hardest goal for me is probably the fly through, do a split S on yourself, because I've never done that before, and I'm a short dude. Like, I'm 5'6", so there's not a lot of gap when I'm like, got my legs all spread out. So it was actually quite a challenge. So like, here's me practicing it, and I do have a few tips for y'all if you are kind of short like me. I don't need to fly right over my head. I should aim higher than my head, and that would give me enough time to form the actual split S and actually have enough time and a bigger window to track that gap and then fly through. So I'll be doing that a couple of times here, and I slowly start to get it. And it was pretty windy as well, so if you do this, I recommend probably doing it on a non-windy day over grass, because you're going to be diving towards the ground. So either have carpet or grass ready, or foam mats, because you don't want to break your drone, right? I actually already broke the canopy trying to do this trick. Eventually, I do get it though. Sweet. So yeah, good luck to y'all trying to do this on yourself. It was harder than I thought. Just maybe again, just based on your height, but just pretend you're taller. In Vancouver, we're actually gonna get some of the games from the FIFA World Cup. So they set up this like counter outside the stadium that we're gonna be hosting games at. And yeah, I've wanted to practice my split S on it. It won't count for that dive, the split S dive gap challenge at the end. I don't care. I'm not gonna submit anything anyways, I don't think. I'm just kind of using this preseason to practice. If you're actually doing the real dive, like the one tip I have, and it's from watching Nil's video, because he has a really good video on how to complete dive gaps in general, is just to overshoot. It's easier to throttle forward, because you can't fix one where, just like that, you can see, like I can't just automatically make myself go forward more in that moment, because I already committed to the move. Things are easier with an audience for some reason, so here's a dive gap with people watching me. Good luck with your training, and later.